Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can change the pitch of an audio on VideoStar. I don't think it speeds the video up, but I'm just going to press the sort of scissor button on the video to edit, and then I'm going to go and click audio, and then I'm going to choose modify pitch. Here, if you want to make the pitch higher, you're going to go up till 2. But if you want to make this, the pitch lower, you're going to go to the half sort of button. And once you're happy with the pitch you've chosen, just press done. And that's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!